Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekka Reviews, and in today's video we have the brand new Sony PlayStation 5 DualSense controller. Now you may have seen my previous video unboxing the PS5, but if you haven't already, you can click the link above to watch now. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm sure you've heard by now that the new PlayStation 5 was released this November 2020, and you've probably seen 100 videos by now on the PS5. But in today's video, I wanted to give my review on the new PlayStation 5 controller and actually see if this device really lives up to all the hype. On first glance, first thing you will notice straight away is that Sony have gone for a fresh new facelift design with beefier handles making the controller feel great in hand. The controller to me gives off a sci-fi like feel, especially with the blue LEDs that light up in between the center. Personally, I like the black and white combo that Sony have gone for here, which works really well, and from what I've read, I believe that the faceplates can easily be removed, so you'll probably see third-party alternative designs being released later on in the future. In terms of the button layout, Sony have kept things the same here, which is perfectly fine, as it works great just the way it is. But this time, they have also removed the colors from the triangle, square, circle and X buttons. The thumbstick also feels a lot more grippier, if that's even a word, and you can tell when looking at the material used. The direction buttons are pretty much the same here, alongside the touchpad, headset jack input, options and trigger buttons. But this time, Sony have replaced the previous share button with the create button, which allows you to take screenshots and recordings. They have also included a built-in microphone, as well as a speaker on front and PlayStation logo which acts as the power button. Finally, you have one USB Type-C input, which you can use to charge the device. Now, in terms of the new technology used in the PS5 controller, I honestly have to give credit to Sony here, as they have literally taken next gen to a whole different level. Now, you may have heard the words DualSense, Haptics, adaptive triggers thrown around quite a lot, so let me explain to you what this means. DualSense is basically the new DualShock, which was that rumble you used to get in the previous generation console controllers. However, this time, Sony have introduced haptic feedback, which lets you physically feel your in-game actions through the dual actuators built in, allowing you to feel the environment as well as recoil from firing different weapons through dynamic vibrations. Furthermore, you also get adaptive triggers that provides various levels of force and tension as you interact with your in-game environments. From pulling back a bowstring to hitting the brakes of your car, the adaptive triggers let you feel physically connected to your on-screen game. So let's test this live in action. When playing Astro's Playroom, which is a free game that comes with the PlayStation 5, while firing the minigun, I can actually feel the recoil from the weapon, as opposed to a generic rumble. Even while walking, I can feel a tap on each handle as you explore the environment. As the character takes a left step, you can feel a tap on the left side of the controller, and vice versa. When jumping in this scenario, I can actually feel tension as I push down on the trigger, as well as the haptic vibrations while the springs are pushed down. Included inside the PS5 comes one DualSense controller. However, if you purchased one separately, inside the box you get the PS5 controller and instructions on how to set up. Overall, I can honestly say that playing Astro's Playroom and experiencing the haptics and adaptive triggers was amazing and has literally blown me away. I was skeptical at first and thought that this was just another gimmick that PlayStation have added. However, after testing this, the new PlayStation 5 controller truly makes the user feel involved in-game. Being able to feel your character movements and feel the environment around only helps better your gaming experience, and is something that I'm hoping all gaming companies take advantage of. The controller definitely feels next-gen, and in my opinion, definitely sets the bar on being the best controller out there in the market. But that's all from me, guys. If you haven't seen my video unboxing the PS5, then you can watch it now by clicking the link above. In the next video, I'll be reviewing the user interface of the PlayStation 5, so make sure you're subscribed and your post notifications are turned on so you never miss a video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.